all category, male, female, safe score for top 5, NIT, triple IT, GFT, it is safe rank. So now I will talk about the information. So one more thing I would like to inform you here, this is the cutoff for lowest possible branch. Not about the CSE or EC branch. Obviously in triple IT college only CSE and EC branch are available, but in top 5 triple IT there is other branch also available. So here I have considered that so that you will able to get the complete information. So please, once again I am repeating, this is not the CSE cutoff, this is the lowest possible branch cutoff that you can expect for this year of CSEP counseling, and my all expectation, that is prediction, are correct. You can check the Manipal video, VIT video, all are 100% sure. I am just predicting based on the current year trend, as I am guiding lots of students and continuously talking lots of students, so I am able to guess the current year trend. Based on that I am providing you the information. So for general category, 70,000 for male and 80,000 for female, that is for NIT. For top 5 NIT, as you also know, in top 5 NIT there are lots of lower branches available, so that you will able to get up to 70 and 80,000 also, that is for male and female. And for triple IT up to 78,000, and for GFTI college 2.7 lakh you will also get the college, that is the lowest possible branch. Now if you talk about for EWS, 75 and 85,000 for NIT. For triple IT it is 1.1 lakh. Once again I would like to inform you, in triple IT college only CSE, EC, IT branch are available, but only few triple IT colleges are there where mechatronics or mechanical branch are available. So here in top 5 there is one triple IT where the lower branch is available, that I have considered here. Obviously if you will go for CSE or EC branch, your rank should be better than this. So for GFTI 3 lakh. Now if you talk about for OBC, 80,000, 90,000, that is for NIT, male and female. And for triple IT 1.2 lakh. And particularly if you are a female and you are looking for triple IT in GFTI, then you can add some more rank, because in some of the triple IT there is only male cutoff, that's why I have considered the male cutoff only. Now if you talk about for triple IT, it is 1.2 lakh and GFTI 3.5 lakh. And for SC 2.8 lakh and 3 lakh, that is for male and female NIT. And for triple IT 2.5 lakh, and for GFTI it is 4.5 lakh. Now if you talk about for ST, 5.5 and 6 lakh, that is for male and female. And for triple IT 3.5 lakh, GFTI 5 lakh. So one more time I would like to inform you, this is the cutoff for lower branches, and in CSEP it is not 100% sure that the cutoff will go as last year it went. So you have to do everything carefully, and for that I will be guiding you completely. If you want, you can register. There is a nominal charge for that, but I am just providing you the expectation, what you can expect, and that is 99% will be correct, because I am doing the counseling from last 3-4 years and I am able to guess the current year trend. Based on that I am providing you the information. So hope you get this information very useful. That is for top 5 NIT, triple IT. And here you can see the detail of the counseling that I will cover. That is almost every counseling across India, that is JOSA, CSEP, JAC Delhi, JAC Chandigarh, MSTCT, UPTU, BITS counseling, OJE, WBJE, COMEDK, KSET, VIT Triple E, Manipal, SRM, Amrita, GoodSet, and other counseling as well. That is centralized, decentralized, state level counseling, all type of counseling I will cover. So here what I will focus mostly is college selection, college comparison with choice filling, that is personalized choice filling, discussing with you. And branch selection is also important. Most important feature is that 24/7, it is all the time you can ask your question. After 10 AM you can contact me any number of time for any type of doubt or discussion. Up to first you would need to contact me, then do the registration. So nominal charge will be applicable, as I will be providing you the personal time, so it will take lots of